Minor chords and major arcana. Little leather jacket and a black bandana. Kicking over trash cans and telling jokes in Atlanta. When I got the fever, it hit me like a fan on the back of my head. I don't know who I am, but I'm free for nothing, good for nothing too. Crazy to dreams, too crazy about you. Won't you let me in one more time, babe? I wanna feel it.
Take your back down and round. We're finishing outside coffee.
Nothing is allowed, babe, if you know it ain't.
2, 3, go!
Take a look at me now. Heart's on fire, so is the page. Everyone around here's telling me to act my age. I'm trying. Things are only revealed in the light that is given. Oh, to be freed from the pardon when all else is forgiven. Rain outside's blowing in the curtains. Nothing is revealed, but nothing is for certain. Yes, I recall you was drinking from the sanctuary wine. Well, don't worry, baby, we'll find all of our lost time. Take a look at me now. Take a look at me now. As I recall you was standing there, you was holding your rosary beads. Ooh. Everyone around here seems to think he knows what he needs. Ooh. 7 ugly reasons kept me away from you then. Ooh. Nothing is much weaker than the resolve of most men. I remember when you...
Just want to say a massive well done and a thank you to all today's participants in the annual Black Mountain Run. Today also launched the start of the Philogena Army, which is a week-long programme of activities which incorporates the Upper Springfield area. But today really was a huge success with around 70 participants. Great feedback, great feedback from all participants, runners, walkers, and really hopefully it sets a tone for the week. We'll have a really good week of events ahead of us.
To be reunited in the sky when it opens, well, my feet are so tired, but my spirit ain't broken. Take a look at me now.